Long, we hope that this finds you, staying strong and positive. We all miss you here. It's not the same without you. Every one of our job sites still asks about you, all of our people. We really want you to know that we love and care about you. Can't wait to see you back in the office or on the job site. Hope that you have a speedy recovery and look forward to seeing you again very soon. We just want a special note from all the folks here in Oklahoma City to let you know that we miss you and are ready for you to be back.
Hey Long, it's Stewie. I just wanted to say thanks for everything you've taught me. I enjoyed working with you. Please come back and see us soon, buddy. We love you and miss you.
Chào chú Long. Hopefully that you get well soon and that I get to see you soon in Dallas or whenever you're in Oklahoma City. Just come by and say hello. Hopefully you feel better. Thank you.
Long, you're missed a lot. On behalf of the Dallas division, we can't wait for you to get back here to work.
Hi Long, this is the Austin division. We really miss you. We miss your great work. We're all thinking of you and praying for you.
Hey Long, hope you get better.
Hey Long, I miss your 80s music on the job site. Get well, buddy.
Hey Long, peace. Can't wait to see you back. Get to us soon. We love you.
Chú khỏe lại sớm nha. Chúc chú luôn mình khỏe, gia đình mình khỏe. Long, cố lên Long. We miss you.
Long khỏe nhanh nha. Mọi người đang chờ anh.
Hey Long, miss you man. Hope you hurry up and get back here.
Long, get well soon. I need you when I get out of DFW.
Long, you've been doing great for years, and I sincerely appreciate everything you've always done for the company, and I can't wait to have you back. Thanks, man.
Hey Long, this is Musa, man. We miss you, and thank you for your tricks. Hope you get well soon.
Hey Long, you're missed. Can't wait for you to get back. Get well.
Hey Long, miss you, man. I'm gonna come see you soon. Hope you get better soon, okay?
Get well soon. Get well soon. We miss you. We miss you here in Houston. Hope you get well soon.
Long, we miss you in Dallas and hope you get well soon.